The Karnataka government on Wednesday urged auto rickshaw drivers, owners, and the public not to rely on rumors about a shortage of Auto LPG. According to the government, while some private Auto LPG supply companies are currently facing shortages, state-owned oil companies are supplying LPG in large quantities to address the issue. Many auto drivers were affected by the shortage, with some temporarily suspending their services due to limited fuel availability. The Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Disputes Department clarified that certain media reports were misleading, that auto drivers are standing in queues in front of the auto gas stations in the state based on the rumors that there is a shortage of Auto LPG. The department stated that there is a sufficient stock available at public sector oil company stations and that Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited and Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited have started supplying retail outlets with 56.67 metric tons per day instead of the reduced supply of 3.58 metric tons per day earlier. The department also appealed to auto owners and drivers not to panic and to cooperate with authorities while efforts are underway to stabilize the supply. Meanwhile, Karnataka Minister for Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs K.H. Muniyappa announced that a meeting will be held on April 10th to resolve the Auto LPG supply issue.